The ninth and the 10th cranial nerve. So the ninth one, that is glossopharyngeal, and the 10th one, that is vagus nerve. So in the diagram, the glossopharyngeal nerve, the yellow one, and the vagus nerve, that is the red one. The glossopharyngeal nerve, it is the mixed type of nerve. That means it carries sensory and motor both functions. So the sensory function is taste to the posterior one third of tongue. Okay, કે આ nerve જે છે it carries the taste from the posterior one third part of the tongue. Pharynx, carotid sinus, and carotid body, that all part are supplied by the glossopharyngeal nerve. The motor function is the parasympathetic stimulation of parotid gland and control blood vessels in carotid body. It supplies the stylopharyngeus muscle. Okay. Now the vagus nerve, it is the 10th cranial nerve, and it is also mixed type of nerve. That means it carries sensory and motor both function. So the sensory one is supplied to larynx mucosa, trachea, esophagus, and thoracic and abdominal viscera. The motor function is parasympathetic stimulation of smooth muscle and glands of pharynx, larynx, soft palate, and upper two-thirds of esophagus. Okay. The ninth and 10th cranial nerve are intimately related and similar in function. Now, how to test this both cranial nerve? So the purpose of testing is to test the elevation of soft palate and the contraction of pharynx, and to examine the movement of vocal cords. How to test? First, you evaluate the voice quality of the patient. Normal voice, or if the abnormality is seen, so the patient voice is hoarse and dysarthria can seen. Second, you have to test the swallowing. Ask patient to drink of water, okay, and you check the swallowing sensation. Then test posterior one third of tongue. Fourth one, uvular and soft palate testing. In that, ask patient to open their mouth and inspect the soft palate with a torch, and then ask patient to say ah. The soft palate is rise upward and uvula raise straight upward. Interpretation of test is the palate move upward and backward symmetrically, and the uvula in the midline. Two sides of pharynx contract symmetrically. If the uvula drawn one side, it called unilaterally 10th nerve palsy. See in the diagram, the uvula, the hard palate can seen, the tonsil and the soft palate. So you have to check the movement of this soft palate in equally both direction. But if it is a deviation on the one side, that due to the unilateral 10th nerve palsy. Now you elicit the gag reflex. So the afferent part is 9th cranial nerve and efferent motor part is supplied by 10th cranial nerve. So to stimulate the posterior pharynx or uvula on each side with a spatula. Okay, you have to take one spatula and elicit the posterior pharynx and the uvula. So the response is normally there is reflex contraction of soft palate or the vomit like sensation fill the patient. So it is the gag reflex. Now I can show you the video. Ask patient to take a sip of water and you can see the swallowing. Ask patient to say ah and check the soft palate movement. It elevates and go upwards. Now examine the patient voice and cough reflex. Now you put a spatula on the uvula and check the gag reflex like this. and you whenever you do this type of test, the patient feel the vomiting like sensation. Okay, so this is about the gag reflex testing. Thanks for watching.